A floral masterpiece introducing Medinilla Magnifica. The rainforest bursts with vibrant life. Among the lush greenery, a spectacle unfolds. Medinilla Magnifica, the rose grape or Philippine orchid, hangs like a jewel. This exotic beauty captivates with its cascading blooms. Imagine clusters of pink flowers, small and delicate. They dangle from coral-like structures, a vibrant pink. Large protective leaves, a deep green, frame these pendulous blooms. The entire display can reach over a foot in length, a testament to nature's artistry. This plant is not truly an orchid, but belongs to the Melastomaceae family. It is a sight to behold. Medinilla Magnifica stands out, even amongst the rainforest's extravagance. Tropical origins, journey to the cloud forests. Medinilla Magnifica thrives in the warmth of the tropics. Its birthplace is the Philippine archipelago, a land of diverse ecosystems. Here it finds refuge in the cool, misty heights of the cloud forests. These forests, shrouded in mist and moisture, provide the perfect sanctuary. Sunlight filters through the canopy, creating a dappled effect on the forest floor. The air is heavy with humidity and the temperature remains consistently warm. Here, Medinilla Magnifica grows epiphytically, attaching itself to trees. This lifestyle allows it to reach the brighter light filtering through the canopy. It has adapted to flourish in this unique environment. Thriving in paradise, recreating the ideal habitat. To cultivate Medinilla Magnifica is to recreate its tropical haven. This delicate beauty thrives in warmth and humidity, mimicking its natural habitat. Temperatures between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 24 degrees Celsius are ideal. Bright indirect light is essential. Direct sunlight can scorch its delicate leaves. High humidity, around 60 to 70%, is crucial. Regular misting and placing the pot on a humidity tray can help. Well-draining soil is vital to prevent root rot. A blend of peat moss, perlite and orchid bark is ideal. With proper care, Medinilla Magnifica can thrive indoors. A vibrant reminder of its tropical origins. Section 4. Cultural significance and uses beyond beauty. In the Philippines, Medinilla Magnifica holds a special place. It is a symbol of beauty and grace. Its stunning blooms feature in traditional celebrations and festivals. Beyond its ornamental value, this plant has medicinal uses. Traditional healers use its leaves and roots to treat various ailments. Its significance goes beyond mere aesthetics. In modern times, Medinilla Magnifica is a prized ornamental plant. Its captivating beauty adds a touch of the tropics to homes and gardens worldwide. Section 5. A Gardener's Guide, Caring for Medinilla Magnifica. Caring for Medinilla Magnifica requires attention to detail, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Here are some essential tips for success. Water thoroughly when the top inch of soil is dry. Avoid overwatering. Feed with a balanced fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season, which is spring and summer. After flowering, prune back any dead or leggy stems to encourage bushier growth. Repot every 2 to 3 years into a slightly larger pot with fresh soil. With patience and care, you can enjoy the splendor of Medinilla Magnifica in your own home. Its captivating beauty is sure to bring joy for many seasons to come.